we've experienced a significant amount of growth in the last 5 years, and short answer is that we couldn't have done it if we weren't on a good recorded transaction platform like SYSPRO. Yeah, hi, so my name's Tim Bridges. I'm Director of B&R Enclosures, and I'm also the Supply and Distribution Manager for the B&R Group. B&R Enclosures is a manufacturer of electrical enclosures. Primarily, we have our biggest presence here in Australia. This is where we're born and bred, but we've recently established operations in China, in Suzhou, as well as Malaysia, and the most recent is a joint venture entity in Saudi Arabia, in Dammam. Our Industry 4.0 project is utilising the SYSPRO platform, and what we're doing there is building on that platform by developing solutions ultimately about improving our scheduling and capturing real-time data so that we can be more efficient, reduce our costs, which we can then pass on to our customers, and ultimately service the market faster.
I'm Ian Van Haringen, I'm the Information Systems Manager for B&R. SYSPRO helps us make better decisions because we get quality data faster. We're able to surface that data in a number of places, whether it's on a business intelligence tool, whether on a screen in front of an executive, on an iPad in front of a sales rep in the field, or on a mobile device on the factory floor.
SYSPRO is our point of truth for costings and for inventory management. We use from the point of raising quotations with our customers right through the whole manufacturing process and order process through to collecting the money from our customers and the management of our cash ledger. So our job reporting out on our shop floor has gone from what would have been less than 10% 2 years ago to now around about 90 to 95%. So we've actually been able to offer shorter lead times to our customers using one of the SYSPRO configurator programs, effectively bill of materials for one of our product ranges, to then offer a 10-day lead time, which has really changed the way that we go to market. We utilise the SYSPRO MRP program, and that we rely on really heavily to provide us with good decisions for our ordering for our raw material products by building the high quality information within SYSPRO to drive MRP and taking a process that used to take pretty much a day down to 1, maybe 2 hours. And that's a process that we do every week.
Chris Cheers, I'm an application specialist, so my role is to really assist the users with SYSPRO and to leverage SYSPRO for their needs. It's the agility and speed of change. So, it doesn't matter what the user's requirements are. We don't have to go away to the vendor and give them our requirements, wait for that to be implemented or approved in the system, pay for those changes, wait for it to come back. I can go straight into SYSPRO myself, make those changes, map out the user's requirements, and push the changes to them, and right away they've got what they need without really any significant delay. So it really enables us to change quickly and change rapidly.
There's a lot of due diligence that goes on when it comes to the actual technology, and we're confident that SYSPRO is certainly a market leader in that front. In addition to that, you really need to have someone that you can work with and know that as you're growing and as you're innovating, that that your supplier, in this case being SYSPRO, is there working with you hand in hand and able to grow.